In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a background video to enhance your web design experience. This feature can bring an engaging dynamic to your web page, catching your audience's attention instantly. Let's dive right in and get started with this exciting process. First, you need to open the Add panel. This can be found in the left-hand sidebar. Simply click on the Add Elements icon, which is represented by a plus sign. This is your gateway to a range of elements that can be utilized in your project. These elements are crucial as they help create the structure and design you envision. Next, you'll need to locate the background video element. You can either search directly for background video or navigate through and find it under the Advanced section. This specifically designed element allows you to seamlessly introduce motion to your web page background, enhancing the overall aesthetic and offering an immersive experience to visitors. Once you've found it, the next step is to place the element on your page. This is as simple as dragging and dropping the background video element onto the specific section of your canvas where you want it to appear. Make sure you have a clear idea of where this video would have the most impact, whether it's a landing page, a header, or a section that could benefit from this visual enhancement. Now it's time to upload your video. With the background video element placed on the canvas, select it to open its styling options. Head over to the Style panel, or you can simply double-click the element to access its settings. Here, you should upload your video file. Ensure that the video is web-optimized, with MP4 being the recommended format, as it supports good quality and compatibility. This step is essential to ensure that your video runs smoothly and efficiently in a web environment. Finally, let's configure the styling, especially if you aim to have a full-page background video. Select the background video element, then navigate to the Style panel again. Here, you'll want to adjust the settings to set the width to 100% and the height to 100 VH. This ensures that your background video will cover the entire screen, adapting automatically to any viewport height. You may find it necessary to add a class to the element to apply these specific styles consistently. Classes can be an invaluable tool for managing styles across your project efficiently. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated background video ready to impress any visitor. This simple yet effective tool enriches your page's visual narrative, bringing a fresh layer of sophistication and interactivity. Follow these instructions and you'll no doubt have a captivating web design element in place in no time.